Hey everybody, it's Zach from Myshire Farm, and today we're actually going to talk more about QUAIL CON. I'm very excited about it. It is coming up in less than a month, September 3rd and 4th, right here at Myshire Farm. Some tickets are still available on our website at myshirefarm.com if you want to come. We've got a couple different videos that we're going to have. We're going to have experts, speakers, tours, all kinds of a lot of fun stuff. But we're also going to have some vendors here. And the vendors are all family owned and operated businesses, which I love to help out and I love to work with. And one of them is Katie from Pine Knit. And she's going to tell you a little bit about what she does. You can also find her at pineknit.etsy.com. Knit is K-N-I-T, but in the description, I'll actually give you the link to our Etsy store as well if you can't make it to QUAIL CON. But she's going to be bringing a lot of really cool stuff. She's going to show you not only what she's bringing and what she makes, but the quality that she brings to it. So I'm very excited to have her here at QUAIL CON, and here she is. Go ahead and take it away.
Hi, I'm Katie from Pine Knit, and I'm here in my quail room to show you what I'm going to have for you at QUAIL CON as a vendor. I make knit apparel from natural fibers. A lot of the apparel and textiles that we wear are made from man-made plastics, and less plastics in our life is always better. And honestly, I just like the look and feel and the benefits that you get from wearing a natural fibers, especially wool. Wool is the #1 fiber that I work with. And if you have an idea in your head that wool is scratchy and uncomfortable, you have to come and feel this, because this is pillowy soft. It's so light and fluffy. This is one of my favorites. Now, this is Merino Wool. That Merino is a breed of sheep, and they're known for their very fine wool fibers. And the finer, the thinner the fiber, the softer it is. So this is so incredibly soft. I could wear it all day, except it's summer, so I won't. Speaking of summer, I do also have, this is one of my items. This is a linen and flax linen and silk scarf, sorry. Now, this I could wear all day, even in the summer, because linen actually has a very efficient moisture wicking and evaporative properties. So it actually feels, when I put it on my skin, it just feels cool. So this is an infinity scarf. So I have things for all seasons, and you can see it just has a nice, very pretty sheen with that silk in there too. And also very soft. I even have baby hats. This is another sample of a merino wool hat. This one, I have different sizes. This one is an adult size, so you can wear this with the brim folded up. I have kid sizes. Now, this is what I'm most excited about. This is an eco wool. This is a hat I made out of eco wool. It has not been processed. It's not been dyed. It's not been bleached. This is another one. These are just the natural colors from the sheep's wool. So the benefit there's a couple. First of all, it's so much lighter on the environment. Even the process of bleaching and dyeing wool still releases chemicals into the environment, right? So it's not perfect. But this, because it's not been chemically processed, even the manufacturing is good on the environment, and it's good on your head. The great thing about untreated wool is that it retains the oils from the sheep. That makes it so water resistant. You can wear this in the pouring rain. Your head's not going to get wet for quite a while. Maybe eventually it might soak in. But the great thing is, even when it soaks in, wool retains its warmth. That's why a lot of times when you're camping or hiking, you're wearing wool socks or wool sweaters or stuff like that. So this, I'm really excited about, these eco wool hats, and I also have scarves and headbands. So I have a number of different items, but hats is just an easy thing to bring out and show you here. So that's a little bit of a sampling here. This baby's being very loud. Hello. These guys just hatched a couple days ago. So there you go. There's your little baby fix. Quaby fix. Alright. So I hope to see you all there. Thank you, Zach, for giving me a little time. And have a great month. I'll see you next month.